Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the issue USB is not recognized on your Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then do not worry, let's go quick into the process. So let's start with the basic one. So try to reconnect the USB into different USB port. So if you're connected to the first USB port, try the second USB port. So just simply try to change the USB port first. Then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type edit power plan. That will appear under the best match. So you just have to simply click on that. Now here in the edit plan settings, you'll find this option change advanced power settings. Click on that. And here in the power options window, you will find USB settings. Now in my case, I don't have this. But in your case, if you can find the USB settings in the power options window, click on the plus sign symbol and you have to click on the drop down arrow and change the option to disabled. So you have to simply disable that here in the power options window. Now once done, click on apply, click on OK, and then close this. Then make a right click at the start button, select File Explorer, maximize it. Click on this PC, double click on the Windows C drive. Now scroll down to the W section and look for the Windows folder, this one, double click. Now simply scroll down and we need to look for the INF folder, double click. And in the search bar, simply type WPDMTP. TP. Now you'll find the second option, make a right click and then you have to select right click, then you have to select show more options. So you'll find the install button. Click on that. Click on OK. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. Click on device manager under the best match. Now here you need to locate the USB or the universal serial bus controllers and update each of the driver. Make a right click, select update driver, search automatically for drivers, update driver. You can also disable once the root hub and then enable it again. You have to click on yes so that your PC will be restarted or your Windows will be restarted. And after that, go back to the same device manager window and then make a right click, select enable device. And you have to click on yes again, and that will restart your Windows for the changes to take effect. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.